Ah, Joe, what happened now? What are you doing outside?
I'm not feeling well.
What happened now?
I'm having my stomach is paining me.
Stomach? Wow. Come now. Enter my back now. Let's go. I'm not carry you go hospital. Enter my back. Enter.
Hello.
Enter now. Hey. Oh.
What a cano.
Hey.
Hello.
Have mercy upon us.
Wait.
Hello.
Wow. You can't wait to. Oh. Sit down. I'm coming.
Hello.
I'm coming. Yeah. I'm coming.
What a